Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
And I'm Jennifer.
And we have a recipe today that I think you're really going to love, and we have had a lot of people asking for this recipe.
We have, and it's a classic recipe.
Yes.
Today we're making Southern fried cabbage. So come on in. Okay, so I pre-greased this Dutch oven.
We're adding 1 pound of chopped bacon.
And we are just going to brown this up. Going to add a lot of flavor. We've got this Dutch oven on medium heat. So go ahead and get this all cooked up. All right, now that's looking good. Take a slotted spoon and set this aside on a plate.
Then you're going to add 1 pound of sliced smoked sausage.
Right into this yummy bacon grease. And we're just going to slightly brown the sausage up. All right, now that it's brown on both sides, we're going to go ahead and take the slotted spoon again, and we're going to set it aside right next to the bacon. The sausage is pretty much cooked already, so you don't really have to overcook it. I'm just browning them up and adding a little bit more flavor to my grease in the pan here.
Oh, there's one Jen that's trying to get away.
Uh-oh, better get it.
Oh, you got it.
Say saved it. All right, now that we got that out of there.
Now you're going to add 1 cup of diced onions.
And we're going to put that right into the drippings. Saute that up.
And then add 1 cup each red bell pepper and a green bell pepper diced.
Yeah, we already got those diced up. Gonna just saute that up with the onion.
And then you add around 4 pats of butter. You know, we can't hardly do anything without butter. We gotta stir butter and everything, it seems like, doesn't it?
I know, it does. So this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. And this is going to be a really good base for this cabbage that we're getting ready to put in there.
So here comes the chopped cabbage.
Got it all chopped up. All right, this is not all going to fit in this pot right now. So what we're going to do is put about half of this in, because it's a lot. And we're going to let it reduce down a little bit. So I'm going to stir this up with all that yummy onion and bell pepper and the drippings. And once we get all that mixed up, then I'm going to take the lid and cover it and let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until that cabbage reduces down, and then I can add the rest of it in.
Now you can add the rest of the cabbage.
Yes. And we've got room in there now, so it seems like a lot, but you know, cabbage really, you know, cooks down pretty good. So we're going to stir that in with all that yummy stuff on the bottom. Get it all mixed in. I'm getting it. And this is a big Dutch oven. All right, we're going to cover it. All right, look at that. Now we're talking. Then we're going to add
1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt,
1 teaspoon of garlic powder,
and 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
And I'm going to mix that together. sprinkle a little bit more. Just want to make sure I get it all covered. Then 1 teaspoon of Cajun Creole seasoning.
This smells so good already.
Oh yeah. Very filling.
And this would be good any time of the year.
Comfort food. All right, we're going to turn the heat off.
Now here comes the good part, adding the smoked sausage back in. And the bacon.
Oh yeah, put that back in there. Mix that all together. Looks delicious. You know, this is a great Dutch oven here. And I'll put the link below for this Dutch oven. It's awesome. This is just like the one Steve used to use.
I can't wait to taste some of this. This looks really, really good.
Oh, I know.
You also smell this. It smells so, so good.
Yeah, all that bacon and sausage. And you ready to dish some of this up?
It makes up for a pretty dish also. Don't you think?
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? You have got to try this for dinner.
So I'm ready for my bowl. What about you?
Oh, absolutely. You've got to try it. Yum.
I'm ready.
As Steve would say, is this the best southern fried cabbage?
If it ain't, it ought to
be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.